Girls, them a come, them a whining on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is sponsored by a company that I absolutely adore and I've worked with multiple times before in the past, Donmily Hair. So if you want to learn more about this unit, then definitely keep on watching. Guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I don't want you to miss it. Alright, so I do have a unit from Donmily Hair. This is the box that the unit will come in. Here is your wig. It's going to come in a plastic Ziploc bag. It's going to also come with an elastic band strap, and you're also going to get a wig cap. This one is black. I don't remember them sending a black one before, but I guess they'll just send you whatever color they have available. So let me see what wig this is. This is the Body Wave Natural Color in 24 inches. Of course, an ambulance is going by right while I'm recording this. So I'm looking at the wig to see if the knots are pre-bleached, and I don't believe that they are. Yeah, I don't believe that they are. So we shall see about that. I'm gonna try to work with it this way, but I usually do like my knots bleached, so we'll see how this is going to play out. So the Body Wave is really beautiful. The unit is nice and thick and full, which I absolutely love. It's nice and long, which I love as well. The lace color is pretty good, but it is a little too light for me. So I am going to add my lace tint spray and my finishing powder on the inside of the wig. Let's take a look at the cap construction. So we do have two combs, one on either side. We do have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. I don't see anywhere to put the elastic adjustable band in, so I will more than likely just adjust the adjustable straps onto themselves. This is a unit that I probably wouldn't be able to wear glueless, so I'll definitely be using my Got To Be as well as my Pie Shoes Supreme Hold Spray. So I'll be using these two to go ahead and adhere the wig down. Like I said, I'm not going to bleach the knots, so we'll see how this goes. If you do like the unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review up on this wig. I will leave a link here so you can go ahead and check it out, but make sure you finish watching this review first. So I do have some new lace tint sprays. You guys know that I've been using the wig extensions, but I did want to try these new ones today. These are by EBIN, and these are the tinted lace aerosol spray cans, and I do have them in two different colors. One is light warm brown and one is medium brown. So I wasn't sure which one would work best for me, but I was super excited to give these a try just to have some different options. Ooh, aerosol can. Okay, so I'm excited to have some other options for the lace tint spray. So I grabbed a paper towel. So I'm gonna pull off two sheets. I'm gonna pull off two sheets and see how these look. So the first one is medium brown. Let me turn it this way. Wow, that's powerful. Okay, so here's what the spray color looks like with one spray. Here's what the spray color looks like with 3 sprays. Here's what the spray color looks like with 6. Okay, now obviously no one's skin is this white, so clearly on your skin it will be darker than this anyway, but that's just going to give you an idea of what the medium brown looks like. So let's go ahead and give it a try with the warm light brown. Let's see if it's wet. So I like this aerosol can because it doesn't make the stuff wet, which I like. You can just spray it and keep it moving. Aerosol cans tend not to make things super duper wet, where I feel like those other spray bottles, like it makes the stuff wet and you have to use a blow dryer. This, I think you can skip the blow dryer step. Okay, so that's 2. That's 3. That's 6. Okay, so you can build it up and make the color darker the more you spray. As far as my skin tone, I feel like I'm somewhere in between these two, so I'm going to use them both, probably in the 3 spray range. Okay, so I'm going to use them both. As I said, I wore this wig before, so there is a little bit of spray on here already. Wow, that was super easy. That was super easy. And it's not like super wet, so I definitely love that. Ooh, I think that's getting a little dark. So for me, literally 1 spray of each color I think is enough. Let's see, is it wet? No, it's not wet. I like that. I don't have to do the spray, the blow dryer. So that's a good look for me. Let's see how it looks when I put it on. This is my first time using it, so of course there is a little bit of a learning curve with all of this stuff. If you like the wig that I'm rocking right now, it is available on my website. So yeah, just go on my site, look up this wig. This wig is called Pepper, okay? So if you like pepper, you can go ahead and head over to my site and grab this one. So that color looks really good to me. A little bit dark, but I'm okay with that. So here we go. This is what we are working with right now. It looks pretty cute to me, so I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to do my baby hairs. I'm gonna use my Style Factor for this and just my edge brush. Style Factor has been playing games with my spirit though. Like Style Factor has really been turning colors on me and getting very, very gray on me. Let me know if Style Factor has been playing with y'all like that, like literally turning gray. So I definitely like how this side is coming out better than this side, but you know what? We are going to rock with it the way it is. And I'm going to flat iron this hair. And we will be done, sis. We will literally be done. I guess I should add a little bit of powder. The powder I'm adding is orange. It's like a orangey tannish shade. Just to cut down on some of that like whiteness. I use this color. And it just adds like a little bit of like brown orange. Alrighty, so I'm going to flat iron this hair, and yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Actually, do I even need to flat iron the hair? I don't think I need to. It looks kind of bomb. I'm kind of loving it. I think it looks good, guys. That's probably the end of this video. What do you guys think of this hair? I love the length. I love the effortlessness of it. Even with it being this long, it still looks like casual, or you could just kind of like dress it up. I did this wear this hair out to an event, Afro Soca Love, here in DC, and y'all, the vibes were good. I think the hair has something to do with it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have questions for me, definitely leave them in the comments below. If you like this shirt, I think I am going to post it on my website. It says wake up, wrap, repeat. I think it's super cute, and the girl is wearing one of my headbands. So if you want to purchase one of those, they're available on my site as well, www.gleemade.com. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Girls, them a come, them a whining on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that.